Hi everyone, today I want to introduce you RAGX framework. It is a solution that provides you with a powerful RAG functionality right out of the box. Getting started is surprise easy. We just configure in variables in the env file and install Docker Compose and run it just like that. So let's see. Necessary set active LLM provider. It can be OpenAI, Gemini or Anthropic. Set API key and select what kind model you will use. It is GPT, can be, or something else, and embedded model, it is necessary. As these configurations you can remove it if it is not necessary for you and you will just to test it and all. Moving to the second part, it is data ingestion. First, need to create a document. RAGX currently using Markdown format because it working with structurable data incredibly easy, meaning is not necessary to use another complex difficult parser. So this document exists by default and you can use it for the testing. Another part it is section config. What exactly is a section and why do you use it? It allows you to search specify within the target part of the document. By doing this, the natural working focuses exactly on relevant context, which prevent it from the glitching and hallucination in the answer. Here you can see display name section, description and folder paths. It is passed to our documents in the data folder. And when you prepared all necessary data, just go back to our chatbot and press on this ingest button and process will be started. I think quick note from here. Right now ingest working exactly in sync mode, but will be rewriting in the sync as soon possible. And let's check how RAGX framework is working. For example, you want to ask him what is it RAGX. Yeah, and you receive exactly answer to your question. But what happens if we ask something the system doesn't know? The main feature of this framework is that it doesn't have the direct access to the LLM general knowledge. It is simply cannot return the answer that doesn't exist in our database. Just let's check, maybe it can describe Tesla car. Yeah, and you will receive exactly message that RAGX doesn't know what you mean. But this page exactly for the testing and maybe for the internal usage. But main idea of this framework, it allows you to integrate to the EU platform. And here you can do it so easily. Let's check. We have AI assistant and all sections that was created in the previous steps. These sections is dynamically generated based on this structure. And you also set document section and maybe some asking something about microservices. Yeah, and you will receive exactly answering the question. If you're gonna back to the previous page, for example, guidelines, maybe you wanna know some kind of requirements or something else. Just tell me about yeah, here is mistake, but okay. And this information exactly was taken from this document, and you can see this document. It is all information that was returned here was taken exactly from this document. All this, all source code of the widget you can find here and rewrite it if you want. All necessary information you can find in the README. Here we have everything that is necessary for integrate to your system. Small notes from my side, it's our database working in the Docker container, and it is only like dev solution for the test. It is not a prod solution, and you can easily to change cluster in any time. I think that's all. Thank you and bye.